There's been a lot of talk on YouTube about the All-American blade sharpener, which I'm sure it works well, and I've seen some videos and it looked like it does work well. But I come up with my own version. It's a little different from the All-American version. This is it, and you can adjust the angle. I've got a little pointer welded on there to adjust the angle. The thing you tighten your blade down with is a single action deal. It goes in the center of your bore of your blade. And I didn't make a mounting bracket to go on the table. I just put it in the vise because I want to be able to store it and get it out of my way since I have limited space in my shop. And here's the levers that attach to the grinder. I just made this thing out of material that I had on hand. The only thing I had to buy was this bolt right here. It was like $2.75. So that's what I've got in it besides the grinder. Alright, we're going to put a blade in it and show you how it works. Here's the blade. It's pretty dull. Pretty rusty too. It's been laying out in the weather. But you just slide it right in there and tighten it down. It's that simple. I noticed also that the All-American one, you have to sharpen the blade from the top part. I didn't really like that. I wasn't a fan of that. So I designed mine to where you sharpen it at the bottom. So now we're going to sharpen the blade. That blade was pretty doggone dull. There's what it looks like now. I'm using a 36 grit. I guess a 40 grit would be okay too. Here's the other end that's never been sharpened. It's pretty dull. But that's what it looks like after you run my neat little device over it. Like I say, I've got $2.75 in this device, where the one you buy is like 200 plus. So I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll see you in the next one.